If you have a visual impairment like me, you'll find it difficult at times to be able to read the nomenclature on some of the old radio or television tubes or valves. Back in the old days, the radio repairman actually applied ammonia to the glass portion of the tube. You can actually enhance that by using some ultraviolet light. And you can see here, I'm applying the light at the base of the tube, and I'm using my iPad, the camera feature here, to enhance the visual image here to be able to read the information. Here I'm leveraging photo booth, the thermal camera mode, and of course you could use whatever mode, and we'll switch over here to X-ray and leverage that. That's pretty clear there. You can see the 58 made in the USA fairly well, and then I'm going to switch back over here to the normal mode one more time just for demonstration purposes. So I hope you found this helpful. At times you can pull out your camera, use a small ultraviolet backlight. Thanks again for watching, folks.